Are you losing sales because buyers just can't seem to find your local pickup option? I see it happen all the time. You want to offer a quick, easy way for people to grab their item in person, but the setting is buried. Here is exactly how to add a pickup address on eBay so your customers actually see it and you start closing those local deals. We are going to walk through this in 7 simple steps, going from your main profile all the way down to saving the details. It is much simpler than it looks, I promise.
Let us jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your eBay homepage. Go to the top left corner and click on the menu that says My eBay. And then from that dropdown, select Profile. This is your command center for everything related to how you appear on the site. Once you are on that profile page, you will see a little gear icon or a link that says Profile Settings. Click on that. This opens up the back end of your account where you manage all your personal details. Now, over on the left-hand sidebar, you will see a list of options. Look for the one that says Addresses and click on it. This is where eBay stores everything about where you are located. You will probably see a few addresses already here, maybe your main return address or a shipping address. We need to get past those, so just scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Right there at the bottom, you are looking for a specific button. It should clearly say Pickup Address. Click that. And here is the really important part. Now you are going to enter your physical location details. This is the spot where buyers will actually come to meet you, so be precise. Fill in your street address, the city, the state, and the zip code. Make sure the phone number you put here is one you check regularly, because if a buyer is on their way, this is the number eBay might use for them to reach you. I have always found it helpful to double-check that autofill is not guessing a slightly wrong street name. It happens more often than you think. Once you have triple-checked those details, look for the Save button. Go ahead and click it. The page might flash or reload for a second, but once it does, you will see that address pop up in your list of pickup addresses. And that is it. Now, whenever you list an item and choose local pickup as one of the options, this address will automatically be there for the buyer to see. No more confusing menus, no more lost sales. You are now officially set up to offer local pickup and expand your sales to folks right in your neighborhood.
Happy selling!